What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles, back with a derby car update. I got my tires mounted. We can put those on the rear end, get her sitting flat, then I can start tilting, doing all the work to the front. Then we're ready to put the body back on. But first, I was going to show you guys what was in the box. Here it comes. Let's throw this bitch together. You will see that I have a pile of bolts left and the wheels. You will also see that I did not measure my garage before I bought this. But it's in. And that's good enough for the girls I run with. So hit the like button, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, see how this car ends.